The bananas are safe and sound.
Ah, perfect timing, beta. It's time to add the bananas to the banana malpua. Thank goodness you kept them safe.
Bananas coming right up, Nani Ji. The bin, it's gone. Huh? I don't understand, Anoop. Where could it have gone? We found them.
Oh, so this is yours, beta? I was just about to put these bananas in the lost and found.
Maruti? There he is. Maruti? Nani-ji was so excited to make banana malpua. Now no one gets to have any. Not even Maruti. He would have loved it.
You mean the banana malpua wasn't just for guests? I get to have some too?
Of course. Nani-ji was going to make it for our family. And you're part of the family, Maruti.
Eating banana malpua with my family sounds a lot better than eating bananas by myself.
Doing things together is always more fun. Stomp to the beat and have some fun. We'll share a dance with everyone.
Dancing together, we'll get funky. I love bananas because I'm a monkey.
Giving to each other shows we care. The real fun begins when we share.
You have one banana, I'll have two.
So many bananas, I know what to do. Share with each and every one. No one left out, it's much more fun. Give to each other and show we care. The real fun begins when we share.
Everyone, enjoy your banana malpua.
So banana.
This is delicious.
I didn't think I could like bananas even more than I did before, but they taste even better now.
Things always taste just a little bit better when you share. Plus, Nani-ji has a secret ingredient. Right, Nani-ji?
That's right. The special ingredient that makes my banana malpua taste so good is love, of course.
Aww.
Aww. My eyes spy Harold! Huh?
It's a fine day for flying. Skies are clear, good visibility.
He's so cool. It must be nice to fly all over Sodor. I bet he can see the whole island from way up there. He's so lucky he gets to be a helicopter.
Uh-oh, losing altitude.
I think his luck is running out. Harold's in trouble.
Mayday, Mayday, this is Harold. I'm losing power to my main rotor. I'm gonna have to put her down.
It looks like he's gonna crash. We gotta save Harold. Come on, Percy. We've gotta do something.
Yeah! Let's do, something.
Hang on, Harold.
We're coming!
I could sure use a landing zone right about now.
Harold,
Oh, hi, Thomas.
you can land on my flat car.
Affirmative, Thomas.
Back a little more. Not too much. Forward. That's it. And back up a little. Yeah, right there.
Nada, engine. Thanks, fellas. You saved my sliders.
Anything for the coolest chopper in the sky.
Looks like my rear rotor works just fine, but I've somehow lost power in my main rotor. Oh boy, can't fly anywhere like this.
I can take you for repairs. I mean, you're already on my flat car, so...
Roger that. Wilco, Thomas and Percy.
Wilco?
Means I will comply.
Comply means you'll do what you're asked to do.
Oh, got it.
Only place I can get this rotor patched up is in Vicarstown. That's kind of far.
I've been there a gajillion times. I can absolutely get you there. I mean, it won't be fast and fun like you're used to. There are switchbacks and signal lights and sometimes mud.
Affirmative. I ride the wind, but today this helicopter's gonna ride the rails.
Roger that, Harold.
I'll go and give them a toots up, so they'll be ready to fix ya as soon as you get there.
Thank you, Percy.
Let's go. Flying is so cool. You can see everything when you're flying, right? Like everything?
Well, not everything.
I bet you can see things we've never even thought of.
Having trouble, Thomas?
Oh, hi. Yeah, I can't get up the steep hill. I think my boiler's low.
I'll push you. Hey, it's the calliope. This would be perfect for my party. Where are you taking it?
I'm taking it to the party of the island where it's needed urgently. So, can you give me a push?
Yeah, sure. Let's go. Hey, this is where we first met, remember? All those years ago. I helped you up this very hill. Phew, made it. Oh, now this is the perfect place to hold my anniversary party.
Party? What party?
For my Sodor anniversary. It's perfect, because it's where we met.
A party sounds great, but I gotta go.
Bye, Thomas. Come back for my party tonight. Okay, next stop, decorations.
Oh, come on!
Get down. Stay down. Stay down. Hi, Percy. Is that airmail? Airmail, good one, Nia. Nia? Oh, hi. I didn't expect to see you, and, Why do you have all those purple balloons? Purple's my favorite color. Oh, they're not purple. They're dark violet? Dark violet? Isn't that purple? Nope. Nuh-uh. No way. They're two completely different colors, for sure. Okay. Are you taking them to a party? Sort of. It's a gathering that needs balloons. A balloon gathering. Oh, Percy, you are funny. Is it okay if I have one? It would, but, they're all tied up. Well, can I take this one then? Oh, sure. Yes, of course. Thanks, Percy. Now, I'd better see if I can find some decorations. Will you come to my party later? Of course I'll go. Wait, how do you know about that? How do I know about what? My party? 'Cause I'm planning it, silly. On Steep Hill. Steep Hill? Oh! Got to go. Everyone is so busy. I hope they can make it. It's almost like they don't even want to come to my party tonight. Well, this perfect dark violet balloon and I will have fun, no matter what. Ding, 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 ding. This is fantastic. It's bellerific. It's
My favorite new thing. So, can I have it back?
Nia's always trying new sounds. Wait till she hears this.
Wait! Give me my bell back! You Percy promised! Percy, wait! I should have known better than to give Percy a bell.
Hi, Nia! Huh? Look at this train-to-rising bell Thomas found.
Roaring rails. That totally rocks. If I had a bell like that, I'd make up a country cowbell song. Can I try it for a teensy second?
I guess you can borrow it. But you gotta give it back right away, because I personally promised to give it right back.
Toot toot, tooty toot toot, toot toot, tooty toot toot. Oh, I gotta try it in the tunnel. The echo will be out of this world.
But I need my bell. Whew. You said you'd give it right back. You're right. I'm sorry, but I kinda lent it to Nia.
What? Well, then we gotta go get it back from her. Nia! Wait up! Nia! Hi, Thomas. What's the rush?
I want that bell back. Me too. I didn't get to finish my turn playing with it.
What? It's not my fault you gave part of your turn to Nia. It's my cowbell. Can I have it back now, please? Absolutely. Let me just pop it. Engine style.
The bell!
Oops. Sorry.
Follow that seagull!
Sparkin'! Look at this cowbell I found! More like it found me! Ha!
I'm the one who found the cowbell, and how much have I gotten to play with it?
Not at all?
Exactly! And I can't chase Diesel. He's going the opposite direction. I have to deliver this milk to Vickerstown. Terrific.
I'm sorry, Thomas. You're in my way.
Ha! Now I'm on the fast track to catch that hat! I know.
Let's catch this thing. Then I'll deliver Sir Topham Hatt his new hat.
There! Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Look out!
Where'd that bale of hay come from? And more importantly, where'd the hat go? Over here.
Let's roll.
Hey, I've got an idea. You two pull ahead and steam it this way, and I'll catch it. I guess we could use a plan. Let's do it!
There's the hat!
I got it!
Did I get it?
Huh?
Oops.
How did you get here so fast?
Even on the slow way, I'm faster than you.
Okay, guys, now will you listen to me? I was trying to tell Thomas that. I got mud in my chimney.
The hat!
It's going backwards. Back it up, back it up, back it up. This whole plan is backwards.
Now that this track is closed, let's get this line fixed. Great! I can try out my new liner later. It's faster than Cowbell. Whoa. Okay, it's not that fast. Hey, this isn't the express route.
Sorry, we're trying to catch Sir Topham Hatt's hat. He needs it for the ceremony at the Vickerstown Museum.
I see it! I see the hat! Ooh, we've got to help. Come on!
Just a little closer. Go back. I mean forward. Go forward. Whoa! There it is. I can get it. Sandy, Carly, a little help here?
I'll use my hook. I'll use my lasso.
And I'll just jump in. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
been bad.
Let's take a shortcut through the dark woods.
But the dark woods are so dark.
That's okay. Your ghost scaring machine has all kinds of lights on it.
Yeah. I guess it's one last adventure for the ghost scaring machine.
And this could be the biggest adventure of all. This fog is pretty spooky.
I'm not scared.
Me neither, but I do like to see where I'm going. Percy, would your radar dish help?
Absolutely. Activating. Yeah, there's something big ahead.
Like how big? Like ghost big? Ah! Ghost!
I'm pretty sure that's not a ghost.
Nia? Hey, Nia. Hi, guys. What are you doing? I got turned around in the fog, and I can't see past my bumper.
And it seems like it's getting worse. We've got to find our way out of the dark woods. I don't want to miss what they found up on Lookout Mountain. Oh, I just wish we could see through the fog.
Wait, my night vision goggles can see through darkness and fog. I'll lead the way.
What do you see, Percy?
Huh? Stop!
Phew. I'm glad we didn't run full steam into that. But we need to move it somehow.
Yeah. Does your machine have a Carly in it?
No, but it does have a grappling hook.
Yes, it does. Now, if everyone can hook together and help me pull, I think we can move this.
You heard him.
Now, pull!
Wow. I mean, not bad.
Yeah, the ghost scaring machine is full of surprises.
Come on, guys, let's get moving. Woo! We're out.
Great. First one to Lookout Mountain wins.
All engines go!
Guys, wait! The track up there is really... muddy.
All right, team. Put your axles into it. As soon as we fill Pumpkin Station,
It'll be time for hay rides.
Thomas, Annie and Clarabelle should be loaded with passengers and ready to go. Why don't you go pick them up from Knapford?
You got it. You want to come with me?
Absolutely! The passengers sound excited for the hayride.
They certainly do. They can't wait for the hayride.
See, it doesn't matter what season it is if people are having fun.
Yeah, the passengers are pretty happy. Whoa! The Pumpkin Station is train-tastic! Come on, let's go. This does feel as fun as a day at the beach.
Told ya! Pumpkin Station looks gorgeous.
Good job, everyone. All that's left to do now are the hay rides.
Sparking!
I wish I was pulling one of those hay carts, but since you don't need me, I guess we'll be heading back to the sheds.
If only there was something more for him to do. I know!
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Fall Festival. Let the hay rides begin.
Have fun. Enjoy all the red and gold leaves.
Oh, no. My coupler seems to be acting up. I can't tow the hay ride.
Yeah! I mean, no.
Oh, no!
But
Gordon's coupler's fine. Oh, this is terrible. If Gordon can't tow the hayride, what will we do?
All those happy passengers will be so disappointed.
Never fear. Thomas can do it.
I can?
He can?
Certainly. Would you fill in for me, Thomas?
Yeah, Thomas, hook up.
Well, I wouldn't want anyone missing out on a hayride.
That's the spirit, number one.
Have a good time!
Enjoy yourself.
So, are you still missing summer?
Nope. You showed me how great fall is. Playing in the leaves, the colors, all the happy people. It's been an unbelievable day. Whoa! We did it! Nice job, Sandy and Carly.
Yeah, I can't believe that actually worked.
Stop that, Crystal! No, 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 no!
We still have a little time, right, Bulstrode?
They know you gotta leave at sunset. Where are they?
Thomas promised he'd be here. He'd never break a promise. I wonder what happened.
Get back here! Why aren't you listening?
That wise person was me.
It's headed for the water!
Almost got it! Yes!
Wow!
Phew.
Whoa!
Percy, look out!
Great. What are we gonna give Young Bao now?
Uh-oh. It's almost sunset. Young Bao will be leaving soon.
And we don't have anything big or special for him.
When I first came here, I worried about forgetting my other home in Kenya. But lots of things make me think of it. Like the pattern on my sides, Normanby Beach, even hearing a familiar tune.
But those are just little things.
Yes, but I couldn't forget Kenya, when so many little things made me think of it.
So, maybe it doesn't need to be a big thing. It could be little memories. I've got it! To the docks, everyone! We can make up a song on the way!
Sorry, Young Bao. It's time to go.
I understand. Go ahead, Cranky. They didn't come. That's Thomas! I knew you wouldn't let me leave without saying goodbye.